Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today our topic is counting in words. Today our topic is counting in words. Okay. Here I have prepared the board for you. Let's start with 1. In numbers, 1. In words, O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. One circle. In numbers 2, T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. 2 flowers. Okay. Next is 3. In numbers 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 3 pencils. Okay. Next is 4. In numbers 4. Okay. In words F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the last is 5. Last is 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5.